Well, hi Andy Chris. I saw your video about vlogging and how YouTube is not really going anywhere, but it's still interesting videos, and I like your little wrench. And I thought I'd bring out my tool. It's small and shiny and makes the same kind of noise. Here it is. This one here is a Mastercraft. It's a small one. Makes a nice noise, doesn't it? So I thought I'd put up this video just for you as a reply to yours, but I've also got a bigger one. There's also this one. Here's a 1/4-inch one. Listen to this baby. You like that sound, don't you? Huh? Yeah?